Chapter 8 Means of Transport. We have to go out of our home a number of times. Children go to their schools. We have to go to the market to buy things. We visit our friends and relatives. People go to their places of work. Sometimes we have to visit other towns and cities which are far off. Goods have to be sent from one place to the other. If it is not possible for us to walk to all these places, therefore, we have to take the help of some means of transport. Transport is the way by which people and goods are carried from one place to another. The means of transport we use depends upon two factors: the distance we have to travel, the amount of money we can spend. Land transport. Land transport consists of vehicles which move on the land. Road transport. In the villages, people still move on foot or use bicycles and tractors. In places where villages have been connected by roads, buses, trucks, and even cars ply on these roads. People in towns and cities use comparatively faster means of transport. They travel in buses, cars, scooters, taxis, auto rickshaws, etc. for distance. They use bicycles and rickshaws, etc. for covering short distances. Trucks are the main vehicles used for the transportation of goods from one part of the country to another by road. Load carrying animals. Animals like horses, donkeys, elephants, and bullocks are used to carry loads. They are mostly used in villages. Tonga and bullock carts are pulled by animals. Camel is a very useful animal in desert. It is called the ship of the desert. It carries load easily and moves fast in hot, sandy desert. Rail transport. Trains are another form of land transport. Trains run on tracks. Trains are used for covering longer distances. There are separate trains to carry passengers and goods. Goods train can carry tons of goods. Passenger train can carry thousands of passengers from one part of the country to the other. Apart from them, tram and metro are two other types which run on tracks. Kolkata is the only city where tram service is available. Delhi is the first city in northern India to have metro trains. Water transport. Boats, steamers, and ships are important means of water transport. It is the cheapest means of transport. In the past, steamers and boats were the only means of water transport. Nowadays, ships are being used as they can move fast. Ships carry passengers and goods from the ports of one country to other far-off countries. There are 11 major ports in India. Air transport. Many people nowadays prefer air transport because it is the fastest means of transport. Aeroplanes and helicopters can take us to any part of the world. They cover long distances in a short period of time, but air travel is very expensive. Helicopters are used for short flights. They help us to reach places where aeroplanes cannot land. There are a number of international and national airports in our country. All these means of transport have brought a great change in the world. People and goods are now carried from one place to another in less time. The world has become closer and the trade and traveling among various countries has developed. Let's understand. Steamer, a ship, boat, etc. powered by steam. Cheapest, lowest in price as compared to similar items or services. Expensive, costing a lot of money. Recap. Transport is the way by which people or goods are carried from one place to another. There are three modes of transport: land, water, and air transport. Animals were the earliest means of transport. They are still used in villages. Bicycle, cars, scooters, buses, trains, ships, and aeroplanes are the different means of transport. The world has become closer due to the faster means of transport.